a learn how to make weird GIFs in Figma in like less than 2 minutes. I am redoing my portfolio to feature more micro interactions, so I figured share the wealth. Like most projects, you're gonna want to start off with a frame. I'm kind of shifting towards more of like a dark mode vibe, so we're going with a black background on this one. And then what you're gonna do is grab your pen tool and start making some weird shapes. Doesn't really matter what they look like. You can even use like out of the box shapes, like your ellipse, square, whatever. Change them up, color, shape, size, and then I like to play with blend modes. I think this is like screen lighter. You're gonna take your layer blur effect and pump it all the way up. Look at how gorgeous that is. Oh my God, I got a cat yelling at me. Hey, get out of that chair. So grab that frame, duplicate it a couple times, and change up your shapes, colors, size, placement, all that good stuff. That's gonna be like the bulk, the body of your animation, if you will. Cat, get out of here, girl. What are you doing? Once you've got your placement figured out, changed your colors, resized your shapes, you're going to want to bring in your portfolio picture, and you're going to want to drop that in the center of the frame, copy paste to keep its placement, and then we're going to smart animate these frames together, triggering after 1 millisecond, after delay, and then you can adjust how long the animation unfolds. I can leave it 25 second, 100 second, milliseconds here. I don't know. I have a cat on the desk. It's driving me nuts. Smart animate. Connect them all up. Link the last one to the first one. That way it loops back and forth forever. Bada bing, bada boom. You've essentially got an animated GIF. And cat, get off my desk. Here's the finished product. Hope you like it. If you have any questions, I don't know, DM me or something. I'm around. Hire me for your micro interactions also.